just on that edge as well. So we're just doing the finishing touches. Ryan we started with it slightly longer, and Ryan said he probably prefers something a little bit more in the fill kind of, what's it called, a swoosh?
Just try to keep mine a bit longer, go away, have a play with it. Once it's off, you can put it back on, so
that's exactly true. Exactly
go away, have a play, and I'll blow dry it myself at home a couple of times in different ways probably, and style it a different way, and then make a decision and come back and get that cut in properly.
Yeah, so like you say, I always say to everyone when we do fittings, it's better to walk away with it a little bit longer than you possibly think, because you can always come back and have more off. It's impossible for me to put more on.